In order to make a Discord server on a mobile device, what you want to do is you want to first open up Discord, then go to the left menu and you want to scroll down over here, and then you should see a plus button on the bottom right over here. So you just want to go ahead and press on this plus button right over here. Then it is going to say create your own server, and then you guys can actually start from a template. So if you have like a gaming server, then you can actually get like a pre-made server already for you, and obviously you can customize it to your liking if you have like a school club, study group, etc. But for this video, I'm just going to be creating a server from scratch. So from here, you guys are able to select on for me and my friends or for a club or community. So if it's just a small group of people, select on for me and my friends, which I'm going to be selecting right here. Now, you guys can go ahead and actually name your server and upload an image that represents your server. So you can go ahead and do that to your liking. So I'm just going to press on create server just like so. And then afterwards, you guys are able to go ahead and actually invite your friends on Discord. You guys could also go ahead and share this link as well and give it to other people so that they're able to join your server. But then afterwards, go ahead and select on done. And then afterwards, your server is going to look like this. And by default, it's going to have a general channel and a voice channel over here. So now let's go ahead and actually finish setting up our server. So let's actually begin setting up our server over here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go over here and select on your server name. Then you guys are able to create different channels, categories, and events. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and create a different category over here. And let's say that this category is Minecraft, for example, where you discuss Minecraft. You can absolutely do so and then press on create. And then as you're able to tell, we now have this section that says Minecraft. And in order to actually add like text channels or voice channels underneath the category, you just want to long press on it. And then afterwards, so you guys are able to go ahead and select on create channel over here. And you guys can create like a voice channel, a form, etc. So let's go ahead and create a form, for example, and just call this Minecraft form because it is underneath the Minecraft section. So check this out, guys. Now we do have a format over here, and you can basically customize things to your liking. So let's say you want to add another voice channel, for example, like a AFK voice channel. You can absolutely do so by long pressing on the voice channels category, then selecting on create channel. Then go ahead and select on voice, and then you can go ahead and give your voice channel a name just like so, and then press on create, and then you are good to go. You guys could also create roles over here. So if you go ahead and select on settings right here, and then you'll see this section that says roles, and then press on create role, and you can basically go ahead and make like an owner role, a admin role, etc. And it really is up to your liking. Now, thankfully, Discord is relatively easy to use. They do walk you through the process relatively nicely. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.